What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, this one is a little different. I'm starting off with my nails. Some of them fell off. So I'm about to show y'all how to reapply your nails. Real simple, real easy. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to join this crazy family. And yeah, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So, starting off, I have all of my nails, one over here, another set over here, a file, 100 to 180. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm filming this at night. I just got out the shower, so yeah, trying to get the show on the road. I have my file, my nail glue. This is the Mia Secret Strong Jet Clear Gel. Clear glue. It looks like this. I have, if it's not linked below, it'll at least be below in the comment section. So first, what is that? Cool. I'm going to file my nails. Then we're going to take our glue, take a little bit of it, put it on the inside of, and I put a lot on accident. So we're going to take some off. Cool. Now try your glue. Take your nail. Can y'all see that? Actually, I'm going to do it this way because this is just easier for me. So take your nail. Push it down to avoid air bubbles. And then hold it into place. This nail is going to be a little off because, yeah, it's just going to be a little off. I'm going to repeat it one more time. Okay, see, I'm going to repeat it one more time because that was a little out of focus. I'm going to explain it again. So you take the nail. You've already filed this part. So you take the inside of the nail and you file it a little bit as well. So, boom. Take the glue. Put it inside of here. Try not to put too much because if you put too much, then it's going to spill out all your nail. Okay. So, do that. Do a little bit of this action. Wave, wave, wave. Okay. Here a little bit. And then you're going to take the nail. Take your actual nail. And slide it down your nail to avoid any air bubbles. And then press it down. And doing it this way, making sure you put the glue inside the actual nail helps so that no extra glue is on your hand. Making sure you don't put too much either. Boom. That's it. So we're going to zoom through the rest of them. Make sure when you do yours, because when I'm doing mine, I don't really care. Try to make sure that you get them back on the way that they're supposed to be. Sometimes I put them back on crooked. Don't be like that. y'all. I forgot to film an outro, so here I am. I just want to say thank y'all for watching. Comment down below if this helped you out. Like the video if you found it helpful or entertaining. And come join the family by subscribing. And see y'all in the next one.